wonderful women. I hope you've had a fantastic week. We've had a very exciting one, and lots of energy and getting moving and working out with my son-in-law and my grandson. I think you saw that. But something really upset me so much this week, and I just wanted to share it with you. It really got to my core. It's upset me so much. And that was, one of my clients was telling me that she took her 12-month-old little boy to meet some friends in a picnic area in the forest here in Canberra. Fantastic area for children to play, just run and be free. Anyway, so she met this other family with their was 2 women and this little boy that they had with them, and he's 6 years old. And so her 12-month-old little grandson got up and he just ran, because that's what that place is designed for. It's just open, free spaces, so much to explore, just getting on your legs, just getting strength on those little legs, and let's have fun, Nan, let's get moving. And he started to run. And these other women that she was with, that were with the little 6-year-old boy, they were so judgmental to her and said to her, oh, I'll quote, she said, oh, what a rat bag you've got. And she was absolutely devastated and looking at her little 12-month-old grandson running away and thinking, well, what do I do? And this upset me so much, because first of all, he's discovering his little legs and getting moving, but it should be encouraged. Apparently the little 6-year-old boy just sat in one little spot and played with toys, but didn't move and didn't run. And well, obviously that's the way he's being trained by his carers and the people around him. And I just thought that was devastating. Absolutely devastating, that children should not be encouraged but be discouraged to move. Because why? Because it's putting the carers out of their comfort zone. They don't want to have to run after him. And well, that's the reason why we've got our epidemic of people sitting on the couch playing Xbox or iPhones, because it's too much effort. And please, we're just stepping into spring. Well, any time of the year, children should be encouraged to move. Please get out there with your families this weekend. Encourage them to move. Get them off the couch. Get them off their phones. Get them off the Xbox. And get them outside. Let them get some vitamin D. Let them get a big smile on their face. I hope you guys are with me on this. I want to hear that you guys had some fun, built some fantastic memories with your family, but most of all encouraged everyone around you to move, instead of being selfish and making them sit still because it's inconvenient for you, because you should be moving too. Okay, so please take that with you into the weekend. Get out there, have some fun, earn some vitamin D and get smiles on all your faces, and take lots of photos. Right, have a great weekend.